In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to your Wix website. By the end, you'll have a working audio player on your page that your visitors can click to listen. All you need is the Wix editor open, and if you're using your own audio, a file ready on your computer. MP3 is a great choice because it balances quality and quick loading. Let's start inside the Wix editor. On the left side of the screen, look for the Add button with the plus icon. Click it, then choose Media and select Audio. This tells Wix you want to place an audio player element on your page. The player is what your visitors will use to press play, pause, and scrub through the track. If you don't see audio right away, make sure you're still within the media section. The audio option is part of Wix's built-in media tools. Next, drag the audio player onto your page and position it where it makes the most sense. You can place it near a podcast description, under a video, or inside a section that introduces your project. As you move it around, Wix will show alignment guides that help you center it or line it up with other elements. Consider how it will look on different screen sizes. Keeping the player in a clean, uncluttered area makes it easier for visitors to find and use. If your page has a lot going on, give the player a bit of breathing room so it stands out. Now it's time to add your track. Click the player and choose Change Track. You'll see two paths: upload your own audio file or pick a track from Wix's music library. If you upload your own, keep your file size reasonable and use clear naming so you can recognize it later. If you choose from Wix's library, you can browse by genre or mood to find something that fits your brand. Always make sure you have the rights to any audio you use. After selecting your track, the player will update with the title and you can click it to preview how it sounds on your page. Before wrapping up, double check that the track name looks neat in the player and that the placement feels intentional. Short titles are easier to read. If your audio is speech-based, like a podcast clip, aim for consistent volume so listeners don't need to adjust their speakers. That's it. Your audio player is in place, positioned clearly and connected to the track you want. Your visitors can now listen right from your site.